welcome back to this channel. Now if you have subscribed, I want to say thank you very much. Now consider following this channel for more. Now today I want to show you how to wire a foregun. What do we have today? Come, I show you. Today guys, we have a foregun switch. We are in this site. I want to show you how to wire this foregun. Guys. Now let me show you. This foregun, it has been marked. I want to show you something. This foregun, it has been marked. As you can see, we have the L1 and the common and the L2. This port here, L1, common, L2, and this one here, L1, common, L2, L1, common, L2. Now guys, this foregun, the common wire is that wire that has it is live, it's a live wire, and the L1 and L2, they are normally open and normally closed. So in our case here, the L1 is normally closed and L2 is normally open. Now people, come here, I show you. I want to demonstrate things here. Now people, as you can see, now this coloring, let this coloring not interfere with you guys. Now the way we did our wiring here, you see this wire, this wire here, this is the common, and this, you see we have done the markings. Let me mark this one. And this one here is the strumper. Nice. Now guys, you see these wires, these small wires or cables. I want to loop them with common. Let me show you. This common wire will loop to this common part, because the live wire every gang share. Let me show you. We loop, then we loop from this to this. To make sure each part of the gang get the live wire. Now come, you see what I've done. We have looped the common. They share the common. Now come. Now you see that our common wire was this one. Make sure every part receives. Now guys, you make sure it is not loosely. You make sure it is tight to avoid loose connection. Now that loose connection may lead to short circuit or maybe other big catastrophes. Now up to that point, this gang has received the common wire, and this gang has received the common wire, and this one has also received the common wire, and this one has also received the common wire. Now the common wire, what is a common wire? The common wire is the live wire. Now you see, now this wire is this cable is a half, this one is a half for the light, and this one here, I've told you these cables here, these two, we have made them to be the strumper. Now that strumper part, let me show you. Now for the gang, how do you add the gangs? The L1, the L2, the L1. Remember, the L1 is normally closed. Then the L1 terminals. Now this half wire, it comes to this L1 terminal live 1. L1 means L1 means live 1. Now you see that half wire, it means now when I switch on like this, when I switch on, that light is off, that light is on. Now to this terminal also, this gang, then L1 terminal 1, terminal 1, then this one's here. You just put, you don't have to remember I told you coloring does not matter when it comes to strumper. Coloring does not matter, guys. Now this strumper wire, you just have to insert them to either this will enter to L1. Come and show you L1. See, this terminal has been named. I don't know if you can see, guys. L1, this one, L2. You may enter this cable to this terminal or this one, or you can just put that one is for the strumper, guys. But if it is the gang, the one gang only, you just have to wire your cable to L1, the one that is normally closed. The one that is normally closed terminal. Now guys, now that is our 4 gang. We have already done. You can see. You see the summary. You see the common wire. I've told you the common wire, the common terminal. This part here, the common terminal. We have looped it because the common is where the live wire, the live cable enters. Now we have looped so that each gang can get electricity, or can get the live wire. Now that is for today, guys. Now as we summarize, I want to thank you for showing us interest in our videos. Now keep supporting us for more, guys, kindly. And don't forget to subscribe. I'm seeing you. Press that subscribe button, and thank you.